Okay, well, I'm making this video because there don't seem to be any quick, easy videos that explain how to make normal naps in Blender for this specific application, which would be a head sculpt. So let's go. Low resolution head. There you go. High resolution head with all the pores and details. All the good stuff. There you go. I'm gonna turn that back on to unshaded mode. Have both heads visible. Now we're going to go into our settings here for rendering. Actually, for rendering, you're going to be in cycles mode. I'm using my GPU because I have an NVIDIA and I can. Then you're going to want to go into your bake settings. Now, you want to go selected to acted as one option, and you want to choose instead of combined, which is where it normally is, want to put that on normal. Then these settings here are pretty important, extrusion and max ray distance. These are going to be based on your world scale. Now, if I go into my world scale here, I have 1 unit equals 1 meter. So when you think about that, if you're going to bake in those details, you need to think about it in terms of how long is a meter. This head is not even half a meter. Therefore, the extrusion distance for tiny little pores like that is going to be very small. So I have 0.0001. The max ray distance here is 0.0003. That should work just fine. So select the head. Then I'm going to control select the low resolution head. And you click on the image file that you want to write to. You can make your own image file and go in Shift A, image texture, and doing it that way. I already did that. Select that, click on Bake. Okay, now if we go into our low resolution mesh and we go into our UV editing mode, we can see that we have the details on our UV map there in this image file that we had created originally. Now we go back into layout mode. We can take that and apply it as a normal map to the low resolution mesh. High resolution mesh is no longer visible. We apply the lighting, and voila, look, we have all the baked-in details. Looking pretty decent. I would definitely change settings for the upper eyelids and for the ears. I would actually work on the base geometry a little bit more and get it so it conforms to the high resolution geometry just a little bit better. Other than that, that's how that works. Quick and easy.